You need to hear this if you're feeling stuck today. The universe has a message just for you. As I go on with this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to support my channel. Today's last quarter moon in Cancer is nudging you towards embracing change. It's a day to revisit old problems not as setbacks but as stepping stones for growth. Remember, progress isn't linear, and each familiar challenge brings new insights. Taurus, don't mistake your sensitivity for weakness. Prioritize rest. Breakthroughs often follow intense effort. Geminis, if change feels overwhelming, seek comfort in trusted friends to regain stability. Cancers, juggling too much? It's okay to set boundaries and prioritize your needs, even if it means disappointing others. Leos, self-criticism can be tough. Practice kindness towards yourself and avoid dwelling on flaws. Virgos, feeling awkward in social situations? Embrace these moments to connect and find your place. The stars are guiding you, so listen closely and take care. Stay tuned for more celestial wisdom from Madame Clairevoyant. Remember, the universe is always in your corner. Remember to keep your finger on the pulse for our next video escapade. Thank you for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Remember to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content.